Hello everyone. So today's date is 21st July 2020 and recap of the topic is chapter number 2 kinds of plant like trees, shrubs, climbers and creepers, herbs, water plants. We already discussed in our previous class. And today's topic is chapter number 3 plants, parts and uses. And your assignment is chapter number 3 page number 140 question number 2 and seasons worksheet page number 47 to 49. So today's topic is plants, parts and uses. So today I'm showing you parts of plants, okay, like root, stem, trunk, leaves, fruits, flower, branches. So you all are ready, kids? See, the part of the plant that grows below the soil is called root. So, what is this? This is root. Clear, kids? The plant that grows above the soil is called stem. Okay, the stem of a tree is called a trunk. So, it's a trunk. And see, leaves. The part of the plant that makes food is the leaves. Makes food is the leaves. And here is, see, branches. Most plants have branches. They grow from the trunk or a stem. And here is fruits. Plants also have fruits and flowers now. So here is lots of fruits. The stem of a tree is called a trunk. Okay, it's a trunk. And now I am showing you stem. Okay, this is a stem. One more herb is here. This is basil, and the part of the plant that grows above the soil is called stem. This is stem. See, here is a stem and here is trunk. Okay, tree. Tree is called a stem of a tree is called a trunk. Plants are living things. They need air, sunlight and water to grow and stay alive. They need space to grow. Green plants can make their own food using air, sunlight, water and soil. Okay, we must grow plants and take good care of them. They help us to stay healthy. Plants in tree are grown from seeds, stem cuttings or roots. Okay, here is how you can take care of plants around you. See, water the plants daily. Do not step on plants. Do not pull or break the branches and do not pluck leaves. Uses of plants. You know, kids, plants and trees are useful to both human being and animals also. We cannot live without plants and animals also cannot live without plants. See, plants clean the air we breathe. They gives us oxygen to breathe. Plants gives us food and meats come from animals, and many of these animals feed on plants. Okay, and grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds come from plants. Plants make our earth very beautiful. Plants, especially trees, are homes to many animals and birds. Plants gives us wood for building houses and making furnitures. We get many things of everyday use from plants. We get oil, sugar, tea and cocoa from plants. Plants also give us cotton, and cotton is used for making cloth. Some plants are used as medicine like tulsi. We get gum from the juices of trees and paper from wood pulp. So plants and trees are useful to both animal beings and humans also. Open page number 140 and put today's date 21st/7/2020 near exercise. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Here is a help box. Come, cannot, animals, beautiful and useful. See first point. Plants are to both humans and animals. Yes, plants are useful to both animals and humans. Now, we live without plants? No, we cannot live without plants. Plants make our earth beautiful. 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 D is meat comes from animals. Meat comes from animals. Many things that we use come from plants. C-O-M-E, come from plants. Sentence and cross the wrong ones. It's your practice work. And question number 3 is answer the following question. Which part of the plant grows below the soil? Which part of the plant grows below the soil is? Yes, the part of the plant that grows below the soil is called the root. So, you have to write here in this book, root. Kids, be careful. You have to write your answer in the book only. Which part of the plant grows above the soil? The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the stem. What is the stem of a tree called? Yes, correct. The stem of a tree is called a trunk. Which part of the plants makes food? Which part of the plant makes food? Yes, leaves. The part of the plant that makes food is the leaves. Name any 2 things that plants need to grow. Air, sunlight, water. So, you can write any 2 here. Air and sunlight. Name any 2 food items we get from plants. Yes, fruits and vegetable.